Today I'm gonna show you how my day looks. My day routine is that I wake up in the morning, then waking up in the morning is very hard for me. So then after waking up in the morning, I go and wash my face. So washing my face is putting something to making like for close the tape. So it's like hard to open this tape when someone closes it. So here comes. I like when I come back when it's in the morning and want to say, oh my god, the cold water for in my face. So cold. Okay, it's really, really cold. And then I spray my towel. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this towel. Oh, this towel's so warm. Yeah, really warm. So I'm gonna use this for my face. I'm done with my face. I'm gonna put in the towel. Now I'm done. So let's go back. So now we're done washing our face. Wait, we're done. We're done washing our face. So now okay. So I'm gonna use 3 minutes on my face. Only 2 things and then do the makeup. So here is start with a big thing. The elephant. I use it on my face. I don't want to use too much on my face because it makes my face so oily. So I just use a little bit. Okay, so it makes me look like a very new past. It's like really white in face. So I spray all over face with. So there's different parts. So here is part before on camera face. Oh my god. Like a monkey. Like I'm putting makeup. Like this. I'm looking like a swallow. So when I spray it makes me look so white. So you can make my face look like a white. Mama. Yeah. So I'm done using. So I'm gonna use mascara. This helps me make my skin become shiny to remove my pimples. Like it helps to cover like my pimples. It heals my pimples. Okay, just say my pimples, but my pimples cannot really show, but they're like interesting. So now she's calling me, so I need to call it. So that I know I'm doing my face. But this wasn't really to like moist to my skin. Even though I'm shaking. So I put just like while you do the face one. Just to moisturize my skin. It's really hard to moisturize my skin. So almost done moisturizing my skin. Can you see how my skin is how soft my skin is moisturized and good. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth. No, look, how long did I take? A few minutes. So I done brush my teeth. Now I'm going to show you this is my school. I'm now done doing my makeup. Now I need to go off the phone. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Okay, we're going outside. We're going to the kitchen first. Let's see what we teach. Oh, spaghetti. Spaghetti. Now I just done some makeup without you. Was there some first makeup? So there we go.